Well, hello and welcome to IID's 5-day Instagram and Facebook ad workshop. Thank you so much for signing up with IID. I hope you're excited because in 5 days you're going to become an Instagram ad and Facebook ad expert. Okay, so this video is very quickly created to help you navigate your account and actually log into IID's learning dashboard. So most likely you're right now on this page which says payment successful. Thank you for that. Now, here's the first thing I need you to do. I need you to instantly go and join this WhatsApp group. Okay, this is where literally everything about the workshop, timings, Zoom links, live lecture links, anything else that you want to ask, everything is on this WhatsApp group. So I need you to be on this WhatsApp group right now. So pause this video, go to the WhatsApp group, join it now. Now, once you join the WhatsApp group, the next thing I need you to do is I need you to know that you need to go to your emails, to your email ID through which you signed up for this, and go to that email account instantly. So I'm just going to show you a trial. I'm going to go to my email account and you're going to get an email like something like this. Thank you for registering with IIDE online. Now this email is actually going to contain the ID and the password to your learning account with IID. Very important. So quickly click on this IID online. If you're unable to find this email, check your junk, your spam, and or else just go and type this keyword. Okay, thank you for registering with IID online. You will find this email if you purchase the course and your payment is successful. Go type this on keywords, check junk, check spam, quickly go down, and now you can see that welcome to IID online. Here is my email, which I am going to use to sign into my dashboard, to my learning, where all the course is, the workshop is, and there's already a really long password out here. So very quickly, to log into your account, click on online.iid.co/myaccount, and you click on this, and what I need you to do is copy this email, and then we'll also copy the password. So let's get into my account, my courses out here, and you will come across this screen, okay? And what you need to do is you need to click on this login button out here. So you'll have a pop-up out here. Put in the ID with which you've registered. So I've registered with karan@goodlifeeducation.com. I'm quickly going to pick up the password from here. It's a really long password. Just pick up this password, put it out here, and I am just going to paste it. Click on remember me so your life is much easier. You can log in, log out of online.iid.co easily. So remember me is simple, and just quickly click on login. And with this, you have now successfully entered the course. Okay. This is going to be your dashboard. So you can see it's going to say, hey Karan, welcome to your IID learning account. So guys, welcome to your IID learning account. And if you want to change your password and if you want to play around with it, just quickly click on my profile. And in case you want to change your password, because the passwords are really complicated, if you're going to watch from 2 different devices, I recommend put in the current password which we had copy pasted, and you can even change your password and then click on save changes. If you don't want to do that, go to my courses, and to access this course, all you got to do is click on this button out here. So you click on this and your entire course is going to open up. And this is just a preview video which you don't need to watch anymore. But when you go down further, your entire curriculum is listed out here. Now, remember that these courses are locked. It's a 5-day workshop. Each day we will be unlocking certain number of videos for you. Okay. So welcome to day 1. You can see clearly available only on 2nd November at 12. So at midnight sharp, you can unlock this course, and you can see day 1, and then you can see day 2 unlocks the next day. Okay, and similarly day 3. So ensure that you are watching your courses every day. We've tried keeping it little, so every day you consume a little so you don't get tired or drained. So on 2nd of November, you're going to be somewhere here where all of this will get unlocked for you. And now you can click on this welcome to day 1 or whatever. So you can click on how Facebook and Instagram use data. You can click on this and your video lecture will now open up. Okay. And you can see your entire video lecture ready out here. But here's what I need you to know is what I need you to do is read this line clearly. Okay, to get your doubts or queries solved in the live session. So if you want me to solve your questions in the live, you need to add these questions out here. So very quickly, I will need you. So at any point, if you have a question, click on this link out here, and an app called the VWalks app, you can see VWalks app will open up, and over here you'll be able to, there will be a box where you can instantly add your questions. Okay, so add your questions, and then people can upvote these questions. Okay, people can literally upvote these questions, and whichever question gets the highest number of upvotes, just like Quora, I will answer those questions first in my live session. So add your questions, because I will only answer questions which are added out here. I will not answer other questions otherwise, and the questions with the highest upvotes, I'll answer those. So I hope this is making it very simple for you to log into your account and to access your course and to ask me questions for the live. You will be getting a second email from IIDE, which is in your inbox, which says welcome to IIDE's Instagram and Facebook ads workshop. This is the entire itinerary. So you can click on this and your entire itinerary will be ready. Day one, you can see you have to watch X number of videos, 45 minutes, and then there's a live doubt solving session with me. The Zoom link for that session will be provided to you via email and via WhatsApp. If you still haven't joined the WhatsApp group, click on join WhatsApp group and join it now. Okay, so your entire day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, your entire schedule is here. Keep in mind, each day will unlock at 12 a.m., which is at midnight. Watch the account setup guide if you still haven't, which is this video. And remember, watching all lectures and taking the practice test is compulsory for your certificate of completion. Links for the live session will be on the WhatsApp group, and your access to this entire course and all the videos in this will expire on 15th of November. Now, if this is done, see you at the live and at the workshop. Happy learning.